If HandBrake is giving you an audio error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify the exact problem in the log and fix the most common causes fast. Whether your encode is failing because the source audio is corrupted, the audio and video are out of sync, or the audio encoder is crashing right away, you can usually solve it in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open HandBrake and load the video you're trying to convert. Before changing anything, we need to check the activity log because that is where HandBrake tells you exactly why the encode failed. Look at the top right corner of the app and click the notepad icon to open the activity log. Once the log is open, press Ctrl and F to search within it and type audio. This helps you quickly find the error messages related to audio instead of scrolling through the entire log line by line. Now, there are a few common messages you might see. If you find DCCA_decode_frame failed and the log says the source audio is corrupted, that usually means the audio track HandBrake is trying to pass through is not compatible or damaged. The fix here is to avoid pass-through and instead change the audio codec to AAC. To do that, go back to the Audio tab in HandBrake, locate the audio track, and change the codec from pass-through to AAC. This forces HandBrake to re-encode the audio, which often solves corruption or compatibility issues immediately. Next, if you see a message like sync, audio jump, that means the audio and video are not staying aligned during the encode. In this case, the problem is usually tied to timing or frame rate behavior. The fix is to go to the Video tab and set frame rate to peak frame rate. This gives HandBrake more flexibility to maintain sync properly, especially if the source file has irregular frame timing. After changing that setting, try the encode again and see if the error disappears. Another message you might come across is Muxer. Track 1, 0 frames, which usually means the audio encoder crashed right at the start. When that happens, it is often not the audio file itself, but a permissions issue on your computer. The simplest fix is to run HandBrake as administrator. Close HandBrake, right-click the app, and choose Run as administrator. Then reopen your file and try the encode again. This gives HandBrake the access it may need to write and process the output correctly. If the error still continues after that, double-check that you are not using pass-through on a problematic audio track, and make sure the source file is not damaged. In many cases, just switching to AAC or adjusting the frame rate will be enough to get the export working normally. So to quickly recap, open the activity log, search for audio, look for the specific error message, and then apply the matching fix. Use AAC instead of pass-through for corrupted source audio, set frame rate to peak frame rate for audio jump sync issues, and run HandBrake as administrator if the Muxer or encoder crashes immediately. Those 3 checks solve a huge number of HandBrake audio errors without wasting time guessing. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe because I'll keep making simple step-by-step tutorials to help you fix software problems faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.